Good morning, students. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, our 11th chapter is going on, that is geometry, and in which we have completed assignment 11.a and exercise 11a of this chapter. So, children, today we will start next topic, that is open and closed figure, which is given on page number 196. Open and closed figure, in which you will able to know that the figure which are open or which are closed, which are known open or which are known closed. So you have to write the definitions for these, and you have to draw the figures also. And next topic is polygon. I will teach you about the next topic, that is polygon, and there are how many types of polygons are there, that I will explain you today. So children, take out your book, open page number 196. I will explain you the open and closed figure first, then the polygons. So children, let's start it. Now this is page number 196 and closed and open figures. Observe different shapes given below, shown below. So this is open figure. This you can see, this is a type of thread, it is drawn, and this one is open here. So this is open figure. Now the definition of open figure is a figure that has two ends points and is not closed. It is having two end points but it is not closed. So this is called open figure. Next is the closed figure. The figure is drawn like this. X and the closed, the figure are closed from the both the side. So the definition of closed figure is a closed figure begins at a point and ends at the same point. It crosses itself. It crosses itself. So a closed figure is which begins from the one point, and after drawing the figure it will ends at the same point, but it crosses itself. As you can see here, it can cross itself. It is crossing itself. So this is the closed figure. Now third is simple closed figure. What is simple closed figure? A closed figure that does not cross itself. Any closed figure which is closed and does not cross itself, that is called simple closed figure. So this type of figure, roughly drawn figure, which is closed from all the sides and does not cross itself, that is simple closed figure. So these three definitions: open figure, a figure that has two ends points and is not closed; closed figure, a closed figure begins at a point and ends at the same point, it crosses itself; and the third is simple closed figure, a closed figure that does not cross itself. So you will write these three definitions in your copy and you will draw the figure for that. First you will write open figure, then definition of open figure, and then you will draw this shape. Next you will write closed figure and the definition of it and the shape. Then you will draw the shape for it. Then you will write third simple closed figure, then the definition of it, and then you will draw the figure for it. So this how you will write these three definitions with figure in your copy. Now let's start the topic polygon. Now on page number 197, the polygons is given. The topic is given, polygons. A closed figure made up of more than two lines segments is called a polygon. So this is the definition for polygon, and you will write this first you will write the topic polygons, heading you will write down, then you will write the definition for it. A closed figure made up of more than two line segments is called a polygon. It means that any closed figure which is made up of more than two line segment is called polygons. The line segment that form a polygon are called the side of the polygon. The intersection of two sides is called a vertex of polygon. So what is the side of a polygon? The line segment that form a polygon it means that if these are the 3 line segment, and by after closing these 3 lines, what it will make? It is making triangle. So these are the sides of the triangle or polygon. So the line segments that form a polygon are called the side of the polygon. These line segments are the side of the polygon, and the intersection of two sides is called a vertex of polygon. So these corners are called vertex. Polygons are named according to the number of sides. The following are examples of polygon. It means that how many sides the polygons are having, it is having the name according to that only. So first you can see the 3 line segments are drawn. Here it is making triangle. So the name of this 3-sided polygon is triangle. Second is, there are 4 sides. Your 4 line segments are drawn here and it is making quadrilateral. So this one is quadrilateral. Third is 5-sided polygon. It is making pentagon. So pentagons means 5-sided figure. A 5-sided polygon is known as pentagon. Then hexagon. It is having 6-sided polygon. This is known as hexagon. It means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6-sided polygon is hexagon. Then 7-sided polygon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this 7-sided polygon is named as heptagon. And the 8-sided polygon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 8-sided polygon is known as octagon. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 polygons are given. So after that you will learn in your next class. So let's see once again the name of the polygon. 3-sided polygons is known as triangle. It is having 3 sides. 4-sided polygon, it is known as quadrilateral. It is having 4 sides. So it is a quadrilateral. 5-sided polygon, which is having 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides, it is known as pentagon. 6-sided polygon, which is having 6 sides, is known as hexagon. And 7-sided polygon, it is known as heptagon. And 8-sided polygon, it is known as octagon. So children, now what is your classwork? You will write the definition of closed figure, open figure and simple closed figure, and then you will write the definition of polygons, and then you will draw the polygons: triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon and octagon in your classwork copy with the help of scale. Don't draw the figure roughly, so because it will come in your exam, so practice it from today onwards. It will come in your exam to draw, so draw it very nicely with the help of scale. Don't draw roughly. So this is your homework. These figures you will draw in your copy. In classwork you will write the definition, and in homework you will draw the figures. The following are examples of polygon. This you will draw in your classwork copy in your homework. So this is your homework for today. Thank you and have a nice day, children.